Hey Appa, don't you think it's strange that Mithai herself asked for a divorce?
How can I say anything? Nothing will be clear unless Siddharth and Mithai come back. But I agree with Mr. Biswas. I'm sure that Torsha and Revti must have pressurized her. That's why Mithai was forced to take this decision.
Aunt, if this is true, then it's all illegal. Isn't it, brother?
I don't know. I'm not really aware about these marriage rules. Gra- What's the matter, Grandpa? Why are you quiet?
Tomorrow is the festival. We have made such a big and beautiful chariot. We plan to enjoy ourselves. Hey Shri, Nipa, why are you sitting there? Come and make plans for tomorrow. Our gang will take out the chariot tomorrow.
Oh no, I'm not in the mood for anything, Shom. Hey Shri, what has Mithai done? Tell me. If she hadn't said anything, Sid wouldn't have given her a divorce. I assure you, Shri. He would have come home and complained that he was feeling miserable and unable to bear it. But I'm sure he would have never divorced her.
Sid doesn't believe in marriage, Nipa. He never had faith. How can you be so sure about it?
That is because Brother Sid has changed a lot. Isn't it, Shri?
I don't know, Nipa. I can't understand what's happening. Do you know what I feel? I think Mithai has set Sid free. Actually, Sid was finding it very difficult to go to the courts often. After all, every girl wants her husband to be happy. Look, Appa, I think Shri and Ratul's relationship is gradually improving. I'm really happy about it.
Grandpa, did you think of a plan? Because we have to unite all the couples during this year's festival.
Dad! Dad! Hello, have you got the news? The divorce has been granted. They just need to sign a paper. Amu, give the file to Dad. Dad, get it signed when your grandson is in a good mood. Got it? There's a divorce acknowledgement paper in it. We have to submit it, after which the divorce certificate will be issued. Appa, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Hold this, hold this. Keep the sweets. I'm feeling so relieved today. So Ratul has come. Great, very good. This year, the Modak family will celebrate this festival in a grand scale. After all, this is Ratul's first celebration with us. Have Mithai and Siddharth not come home yet? They had left a long while ago. I want to say, if Mithai needs any financial help, give it to her. Don't be stingy. Amu, she wanted to open a sweet store, right? Do something. Give her a regular salary from Siddheshwar Modak. She doesn't need to operate a separate store. I must admit that the sweets made by her sell really very well. Hmm?
Okay. So now, the daughter in law of this family will now be treated as an employee. Very good.
Uncle, tell your elder brother that Mithai isn't interested in any job. I gave her this offer before. Right, Mithai?
Mithai? Yes. Do you know what you have done? Why did you do this? Mithai, I don't understand this. Our family will fall apart. I can't accept this. Your grandpa didn't want this. I had repeatedly warned your grandfather. Mithai, you got married before the cigarette fire with Lord as a witness. How could you break that marriage, Mithai? I didn't expect you to do this.
Mom! Mom, what are you doing? Please calm down. Please calm down, Mom. Please calm down.
Grandma, what are you saying? Look, Mithai has made a decision. Maybe she was uncomfortable here. Maybe she was suffocating here. She never said it, so we didn't realize her discomfort. We didn't notice it. And Mithai has the right to live her life on her own terms, doesn't she? Look, Grandma, I have nothing to say in this regard. Please don't scold her.
What's left in her life now? Siddharth, are men like you blind? Don't you know how much Mithai...
Grandmother! Grandmother, I had to make a decision one day. All of you were facing a lot of problems because of me. I could not tolerate it. And it's better to accept the truth. It is a fact that Mithai is not worthy of your grandson. Even if he had faith in marriage, was I worthy enough to be his wife? Accident. It was just an accident. We have sorted out everything. Come on, let's start decking up the chariot. Tell me, why are you all so serious?
Mithai, look, you've made a decision for yourself, and that's fine. But why are you making me a scapegoat? I mean, you're talking as if you have made a sacrifice for me. Anyway, Grandpa, I wanted to say something. Since we are divorced now, it's up to you to decide what she will do.
Will decide it.
Naturally, who else will decide? She thought that she could do anything after the divorce. In fact, that's the reason why she was feeling suffocated. She wasn't able to ride her world famous bicycle and cause accidents because of me. Anyway, you please tell her that she can't stay in Chennai. We won't allow it. She'll stay right here and get educated. She's done enough, but not anymore.
No, but you said that Mithai can live her life on her own terms now.
Rajiv, if she knew how to make her life worthwhile, I wouldn't have interfered. She can't keep rushing around all the time, right?
Okay. It means whatever you said earlier was just your ego. Right, Rajiv? I know that you don't have such feelings, but we do have. Rajiv,
Hmm?
then let's join hands with Lord and Jagannath and start batting. I mean, fielding.
Silly point, yes.
What are you discussing? I'm very sure it's about me. Why don't you talk loudly?
No, we can't say these things loudly. I'm wondering what I will do about Mithai. Forget it. Come with me. Rajiv, you also come.
Siddharth's behavior is not reliable. Siddharth's dad want to hire Mithai. I must do something. Grandpa, can I suggest something? You had decided earlier that you would get Mithai remarried. Why don't we plan that? No, I mean, Siddharth would feel relieved and Mithai's future will be secure. Siddharth? Is it a bad idea?
No, I mean, who will marry Tufan Male? And who will you get her married to? There's no guarantee how that person will be. Honestly, none of you can think of anything else except marriage, can you?
Oh no. As if he is so worried about Mithai. Why doesn't he worry about Madame Torsha? After all, he loves her. So Mithai had to accept everything at the court. Everybody is furious with Mithai. Did Mithai ever want to hurt everybody in this manner? Hail the Lord!
Hail the Lord!
Hey, Mithai said, "Hail Lord," and all of you repeated after her. Why did you say it? Have you all forgotten that we are not speaking to her?
Oh no, right. Okay, everybody remember, we are not going to talk to Mithai.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Everybody has decided not to talk to Mithai. Please help. Grandfather. I have done everything for the family's well-being. Brother Raju, why don't you please talk to everybody?
Their drama never ends. As if they all can stay without talking to Mithai. There's drama in everything they do.
Sister Shri, Brother Ratul, please tell everybody to talk to me, please.
Mithai? Mithai?
Hmm?
Shall I give you an idea?
Yes.
Go and request Sid. If he tells everybody, no one will refuse him.
What?
Hmm.
Do I have to go there? Oh my. Oh Lord. I would have preferred to do setups here.
Sushma. Sushma, what sweets have you made for our Lord today?
Papa, tell your dad that I don't want to talk to him.
Eh? What? When did you take this decision? How can he not talk to me?
After what your dad has done, I just don't want to speak to him again. If my conditions aren't fulfilled, I will go to my Guru's hermitage, convey my message to the old man.
Grandpa, it seems that the Lord is doing nothing at all. He is neither helping you nor Mithai.
It's the fault of Mithai. Yes.
Grandfather, I have done this for everybody's well-being.
What's good about it, tell me? In so many years, this is the first time your grandma has decided not to speak to me. Hey, Mithai, tell Sid to come here and say something to everybody to cheer them up. Go.
Grandfather.
Go, you are responsible for this and handle the situation.
Hey, Nipa. Listen to me. I was saying that it will be great if Sid tears apart the divorce papers.
Of course. Just like you and Ratul have patched up, it would be great if Sid and Mithai also sorted out their differences.
Tell me, what do I have to do?
Everybody is angry with me. Nobody is speaking with me.
Really? I mean, this is great news. At least on this pretext, there'll be peace in the house.
Mithai can't bear this. Please, please speak with everybody.
What shall I tell them, Mithai? Can't you see that I'm working?
Look, everybody is angry with me. Please go and speak with them. Grandfather and grandmother are also upset with me. If you go and speak with them, they'll listen to you. Please, please talk to them, please.
What shall I tell them?
Oh, Lord. Mithai has asked him to help her today. But look at his attitude. He has this attitude because everybody loves this angry man. No problem. Okay, fine.
She started her drama again. You were saying please till now. What happened now?